Alright, so this is the chart for Somewhere I Belong by Linkin Park. So you've got a few bars of rest first, make sure you count through those, and we know the guitar enters here, so you can count 4 bars of rest there. And then we've got 2 grooves that we want to get, so we've got the crash cymbal and bass drum groove. This is a bit like a grade 1 groove here, with a bit of a fill at the end, so we go over that. And then the second groove you've got to get for this page starts with these 16ths here, and then it goes into a full groove here. So that's the bits we're going to look at first. And then with that information you should be able to do a bit more of the chart as you go through, so feel free to read through and do a bit more of it. But I'll just show you how to do those grooves at the start. So this is the second line, and we start with a crash, so it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that was the fill at the end. Let's go over that in the last bar of that line. We've got to bring our right hand down, so we do the snare, so it's going to be a quick right left. Then you need to move your left up to the high tom to do the next 4 notes. It goes right on the snare, left on the high tom, and then right on the low tom, left on the low tom. And it's in the rhythm of Coca-Cola, so it's quite fast. Right, left, left. So just practice that first, make sure your left hand is going up there, and then see if you can do it a bit faster. So, and again. Once you've got that, go back and put the first 2 snares before that. So you go, remembering to move that left hand up. Okay, let's put that with the groove now before that. So this is the beginning of that last bar on the second line. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's your first bar to practice. Just pause the video and practice that first. And then when you're ready to go on to the next stage, we're going to have the third line now. So it's both sticks on the hi-hats, and we're doing Coca-Cola, so right, left. Okay, so that is the whole of that line. Now the next line, we're doing the same sticking, but we're actually coming down to the snare for the 5th semiquaver in that bar. So it goes like this, and I'm leaving out the bass drum at the moment on the first bar. So it goes right, left, left, right, left, right, left, left, right. Just try that a few times round, and make sure you can do that just nice and fluently there. So. Once you're okay with that, we can add in the bass drum. So the bass drum comes on the very first hi-hat that you do. So you are. And the aim for that is to do it 8 times around. And it is pretty fast as well. So, I mean, see if you can practice it, you know, at a little bit of a faster tempo before you do it with the track. So about 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's going to take a bit of practice and a bit of time to get at that tempo. So again, just stop the video and just practice that sticking pattern on that so you're happy with that section. Now, after that bar, you're back to your straight 8th beat. So for 8 times. So a great thing to practice for this piece would be to do the whole of that line. So you do the 16ths, you do these 8 times. Once you've done it 8 times, go straight into the next bar, so your left hand will be coming down onto the snare. and see if you can swap between those two bars after you've done each one 8 times. That's your first thing to practice on this. And if you want to take it any further, then feel free to have a look at the rest of the notation and also listen to the track.